Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to enable price alert on xPortal. So let's dive into the video right away. Open the xPortal application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed into the main home page, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner. Now, tap on the settings icon at the bottom left and tap on notifications from the settings menu. Tap on price alert and enable the button right next to any coins you would like to receive the price alerts for. Once you toggle on the button, you will now receive any kind of alert for the particular crypto. You can choose to toggle on the price alert for every other coin out there, and that is how you should be able to enable price alerts on xPortal. Any kind of a fluctuation that may happen in the cryptocurrency prices will now be alerted to you. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.